If you can help him with the cables and whatnot. Okay. You wanna go up? That'd be fun. This is the Meg, and that's what we're pulling up.
What?
That's the Meg, and that's where we're pulling. So little. But this is armored as well.
Huh?
That's like bulletproof, armored truck. So the Meg is pushing the truck. That was cool.
That was cool. Both of
us?
Yeah. Edie or me? Kenny or me?
What?
Alright. Hold the camera if you want.
Okay. I have a better...
What?
Did you call us? We have a better view there. Or we go up above. Do you want us above?
What?
Do you want us above? The Meg?
Yes! Remember last time I was trying to hold you? I was holding myself and you at the same time.
Careful.
You better say your prayers. You don't got any belt thingy that can hold.
No, I can hold like this.
Huh? Wow. Sheesh, that dropped the entire thing.
Yeah. Oh. Can you say about what you just witnessed?
Epic. Lovely. This is fun to watch.
Yeah. There you go. Ain't that easy?